Hello viewers, welcome to Sex Zone. In this video, I am going to show you the Dhaka City Farm Gate, a place called Farm Gate. Here in each period, what happens, peoples, how much peoples are enrolled in Corona time. You are watching Sex Zone. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. We're watching, man, the people are too much less now in this road because this is Eid period, and in this period the half of people of Dhaka goes to their hometown. And you guys think that the roadside of Bangladesh and regional sides are not so good, it's total bad. That's why I'm showing you. It's in construction, working, because you can see there are too much wires over the road. Government have taken decisions, taking steps to take these wires under the ground. You can see they have cutted the road. The work in progress, but you can see that the safety is too much less because if they give barricades, brackets in the cutted place, it will cost too much, and they are trying to do in low cost. The roadside people, by hawkers, you can watch anything. I am in a building and I am in 11th floor. And from ground I am around 110 feet upper than a road. But in camera you can watch that it's too much near, but if I fell from here it will be a dark. I have no chance to alive. Watching cars, though it's working road, in construction road, the cars can't maintain the line, they cross the line. Rickshaw pullers, sometimes it makes jam. In Bangladesh there are many places their cars make parking in roadside. It's illegal. Sometimes police comes and case them, and they have to give a huge amount of money. And in Bangladesh the roads are not 100% straight. In USA, Canada, in different countries the roads make it straight, but in Bangladesh 90% roads are not straight. Roads are narrow. It's risky, but if I tell Bangladeshi drivers with other drivers, it's too much difference, because a Bangladeshi driver can drive in every country. Just because the popularity and road vehicles, too much vehicles, jam, the Bangladeshi drivers can control everything. And in Bangladesh the accidents happen short accident, but in other countries the accidents, too much accident happens, and the calculation of accident is less, but the one accident can cause your death. But in Bangladesh the accident calculation is too much, but the means when the injury is less. It's hard the vehicle but not the human people. And for Bangladesh there are many rumors in the whole world. I want to move the tumors. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you didn't like this video, dislike the video. I mean to say, if you like the video, if you have something good in this video, learn something good, no, if you hear something good in this video, please like this video. And if you haven't subscribed my channel till, please subscribe my channel. I hope you guys will support me so that I can express more of Dhaka. Not only Dhaka, I can express the Bangladesh. I am trying to do that. I hope you all guys will support me. This is the road. There is also much people. I am going to show you. Wait. I am in a rooftop. From here the sky view is awesome. Is another side of my building, another corner. It's too much risky to shoot from here, but I am doing for you guys. I hope you guys will enjoy it. I am a new reviewer, I'm a vlogger. You can say it's kind of exposure. I want to expose this whole Bangladesh to the whole world. Expose doesn't mean it's bad side. It also means good side. The good side I will try to expose it to whole Bangladesh. I'm trying my best, but I want you all support so that I can do that. Otherwise it's too tough for me to do that. The whole Dhaka city you can see from here. Here is a playground, here is a school playground. This road, if you want to see a jam, I can show you. In my camera you can watch, but camera quality less because I have not too much money. But I'm trying. I'll update my camera too fast. My another mobile device is coming. You can see a jam. If you're watching a red bus, this is called BRTC, Bangladesh Road Transport Corporation's bus. Here also rides private buses in rent. Like India, there is total buses like government, but Bangladesh is not like that. Bangladesh government bus is too much less and private bus is too much high. This is the Dhaka city. I hope you guys will enjoy this video. If you didn't like my video, you can please unlike, but to support me, don't press unlike, please like this video. I want all of your response so that I can make more video further. Road size, Shalik Paki. CNG. Rickshaw, pedal rickshaw, truck, pickup. There is construction. I have some request to you guys who are watching my video. Please like this video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, then please subscribe my video. And what you have learned from this video and how pretty is the video and how can I improve my video, please comment below and must subscribe this video. Till then, do 40 minutes.